Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analyses of the latest gadgets and tech accessories.
Today, we have an exciting product to dive into: the AIRHUG webcam with mini tripod.
Let's start by taking a closer look at what this webcam has to offer.
The AIRHUG boasts an impressive array of features designed to elevate your video conferencing and streaming experience.
One standout feature is its market-leading optics technology. With a 78-degree wide-angle lens and a high-speed 5-megapixel image sensor, this webcam delivers exceptional color accuracy and brightness, ensuring natural picture quality in every frame.
Just imagine the clarity and detail you can achieve with this level of image quality. Whether you're in a brightly lit room or a dimly lit environment, the AIRHUG adapts effortlessly to deliver stunning visuals.
And setting up the AIRHUG is a breeze.
With USB plug-and-play functionality, you can have this webcam up and running in seconds, no drivers or software installation required. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, making it versatile for a wide range of users. But what sets this webcam apart is its included mini tripod.
Weighing only 132 grams and featuring a compact design, this tripod is perfect for on-the-go professionals, travelers, and content creators alike. Whether you're hosting virtual meetings, recording video content, or live streaming,
the AIRHUG and its mini tripod provide the stability and flexibility you need to capture the perfect angle every time. In conclusion, the AIRHUG webcam with mini tripod offers a winning combination of top-notch performance and portability.
With its advanced optics, easy setup, and included tripod, it's a must-have accessory for anyone looking to elevate their online presence. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, stay connected.